Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today again we will continue with the chapter addition. In previous videos we had learned addition without regrouping, and for this we had learned two methods. In first method we learned adding two or more numbers by arranging them in columns of thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, and then we added them column wise starting from ones. And the other method was adding using the expanded form of the given number. Next we had learned addition with regrouping means addition with carryover. And for this we had learned that when the sum of the digits in the column is a two-digit number, we need to regroup, means we need to carry over. And for this we arrange the numbers in columns first of all. Then we add the ones first. For example, if we are going to add 3527 with 2894, what will we do? We will add the ones first, and 7 ones and 4 ones are given at ones place, and 7 ones and 4 ones make 11 ones. That means 1 tens and 1 ones. So we write 1 in ones column and carry 1 in the tens column. Next we add the tens column. Here 2 tens and 9 tens have been given, and 1 10 has been carried over. So 2 plus 9 plus 1 is 12. So it means we have 100 and 2 tens. So we will write 2 in tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Now next we will add hundreds, and we have 5, 8 in hundreds column, and 1 has been carried over. So 5 plus 8 plus 1 is 14 hundreds. So that means 1000 and 4 hundreds. So we will write 4 in hundreds column and we will carry 1 to the thousands column. And in the end, we will add thousands column. And we have 3, 2 and 1. Means 3 and 2 are given and 1 is carried over in thousands column. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6000. So we get the answer 6421. Now next we will learn properties of addition. And in properties of addition we will learn order property and grouping property. And other than that we will learn adding 0 to a number and adding 1, 10, 100 and 1000 to a number. In this video we will learn order property. But before that, let's imagine a situation where Ronit is going to celebrate his birthday. Ronit and his sister Rima went for shopping with their parents. They bought gifts for Ronit, cakes, chocolates, chips, toffees and many more things. When they came back home, their mother asked them to count chocolates and packets of chips. Ronit's sister Rima counted chocolates first and then she counted chips packet. She counted 60 chocolates and 30 packets of chips. And she told that they have 60 plus 30, 90 packets of chips and chocolates altogether. Now mother asked Ronit to count these things again. So Ronit decided to count chips first and then he decided to count chocolates. So first of all he counted the packets of chips which were 30 in number, and then he counted chocolates which were 60 in number. So he announced that they have total 90 packets of chips and chocolates altogether. So now you can see that either we do 60 plus 30 or we do 30 plus 60. Both ways we got the answer 90. So this explains the order property, which tells that changing the order of addends does not change the sum, which means एडेंड्स को हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में अरेंज करें उससे आंसर चेंज नहीं होता है। एडेंड्स क्या होते हैं? जिन नंबर्स को हम ऐड कर रहे होते हैं उन नंबर्स को हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में लिखें, उन नंबर्स को हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में रखें, आंसर हमारा सेम आएगा, सम हमारा सेम होगा। इसे हम एक एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं। लेट अस ऐड 3428 and 1896. First of all, we will arrange them in columns, then we will add them. And when we add them, what do we get? We add 8 and 6 which are in ones place. 8 and 6 becomes 14. So we write 4 in ones column and carry 1 in tens column. And here we add 9 plus 2 plus 1 which becomes 12. So we write 2 in tens column and carry 1 in hundreds column. And when we add hundreds column, we get 8 plus 4 plus 1, that is 13. So we write 3 in hundreds column and 1 is carried to thousands column. And when we add thousands column, 3 plus 1 plus 1 becomes 5. So we get the answer 5324. Here we have added 3428 first and then 1896. And we got the answer 5324. Now let's change the order of the numbers. First of all, we will write 1896 and then we will write 3428. And let's add them and check whether the answer is same or not. 6 plus 8 which are in ones column, 6 plus 8 becomes 14. We write 4 in ones column and carry 1 to tens column. And we add tens column here. 9 plus 2 plus 1 becomes 12 and we write 2 in tens column and carry ones to the hundreds column. And we add hundreds column next, and here we add 8, 4 and 1. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. We write 3 in hundreds column and carry 1 to the thousands column. And we add 3 plus 1 plus 1 which becomes 5. And here also we got answer 5324, where we had written 1896 first and then we had written 3428. And both the answers are 5324. Hence, changing the order of addends does not change the sum. एडेंड्स के ऑर्डर को चेंज करने पर भी, नंबर्स के ऑर्डर को चेंज करने पर भी सम चेंज नहीं हुआ, उनका आंसर चेंज नहीं हुआ. नाउ लेट्स टेक अनदर एग्जांपल वेयर नंबर्स आर गिवन 4567 plus 2756. First of all, we will add them in the same order, where we will write 4567 first and then we will write 2756. So we get 7 and 6 in ones column. So 7 plus 6 becomes 13. So we will write 3 in ones column and we will carry 1 to the tens column. So we get 6 plus 5 plus 1 in tens column. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So we will write 2 in tens column and we will carry 1 to the hundreds column. Here we have got the digit 7 plus 5 and 1 has been carried over. So 7 plus 5, 12 plus 1, 13. So we will write 3 in hundreds column and we will carry 1 to the thousands column. So we will add the digits present in thousands column, which are 4 plus 2 and 1 has been carried over. So 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So we got the answer 7323. Now let's change the order of the given numbers. Now first we will write 2756 and next we will write 4567. Let's add them. So we have got 6 and 7 at ones place, and when we add them we get 13. So we write 3 in ones column and 1 will be carried over. And in tens column, we have to add the digits 6, 5 and 1. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So we will write in 2 in tens column and 1 will be carried over. And next we will add 7 and 5 which are in hundreds column, and 1 also has been carried over. So 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So we write 3 in hundreds column and will carry 1 to the thousands column. And here we get the digits 4, 2 and 1 has been carried over. So 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So again we got the answer 7323. So it is again proved, इससे फिर से यही समझ में आता है कि changing the order of addends does not change the sum. हमने इन दोनों नंबर्स को जिस भी ऑर्डर में लिखा, चाहे पहले हमने 4567 लिखा, चाहे हमने पहले 2756 लिखा, किसी भी ऑर्डर में इन नंबर्स को लिखा, दोनों केसेस में we got the answer. हमें आंसर क्या मिला? 7323. So children, today we have learned order property of addition, and tomorrow we will learn grouping property of addition. So here comes an end of today's session. Thank you.